everyone, this is Peter Boots live from Pattaya in Thailand. We are here for the Ego Manager Retreat, one of those spectacular forever international events for FBOs. And are you maybe interested yourself to join one of those international events, to meet other like-minded people just like you with the same ambition? Well, that opportunity is existing also for you. Like the EMR is for managers that have qualified as ego managers. But I have an event for you that you can qualify for even if you are an assistant supervisor today. You only need to produce 45 new CCs. The incentive for this is called Leap to London, and it has started already. 1 month is past, but you have still 2 months to go, and it is possible to create 45 new CCs within those 2 months. Read all about it, look for Leap to London, ask your office, ask your upline, ask your sponsor about it, and try to qualify. Because this is your opportunity to start your international traveling career with Forever and go to your first international event, maybe in London. It will happen in the beginning of February next year. 2 months still left to qualify. You have to try to be there because it's going to be spectacular. Maybe not as sunny as it is here in Thailand, but in the room the sun will shine and it will be hot, because every international Forever event is just an amazing event to attend. So do your best, create those 45 new CCs, read all about it and be part of the party. See you in London. Bye bye.